Okay, now it's recording. Here we're going to continue our line right here, which this might be the focus point. We're using the rules of third, like dividing the entire thing more or less in three parts from top to bottom. And so that would be to establish our focus points. So a third from there to there, from side to side of the mural, would be maybe about this far. Another third would be where the big mountain stops. So this would be 1/3, and the third from top to bottom, or bottom to top, could be one here or one there. And those points, the edges, are, they are the ideal places to establish our focus point in the entire thing. So about this height and about this far from there, that would be more or less the focus point, where everything reflects lines. So here, I could do, another one right here. And so the river would come like from here and start doing, all these kinds of okay. So that line is reflecting from there and outriver and start right there. If I get away from it, I can more or less study and make decisions where I want to start my lines. And here, I believe, I can go a little bit more. So that would be, a good points to establish my river. And here I could come maybe like this, and maybe like this. Now, very acceptable. I believe that's very acceptable. And here, I could do, this should be actually a little lighter because there's a lot of fine detail here, so. This would be all dark. Yeah, this kind of look makes it look like a watercolor effect. Watercolors are actually, very thin paint. We don't want opaque paint on watercolors. Like that you can reflect. You can use the white of the paper as a light meeting surface. With transparent paint. Light travels, hits the surface, the white of the paper, and bounces back through the transparent pigments to your eye, and that way makes it look translucent. And translucency is exactly what we're looking for. That's the beauty of stained glass. But what we're trying to simulate here, we don't want very thick, opaque paints that kill the white of the paper. We need some light spots behind it to cause these effects. Okay, I'm starting to like this. Very nice. There's way too many things to paint in one time with one hand, and that's why it looks a little, it doesn't quite look right. But you're getting the idea. This is preliminary composition techniques. You know, this is a very important stage of, as the mural progresses. This is a very important thing. This is where all the planning begins, because I did not plan this mural whatsoever. I have a general idea what I wanted to see on this wall, and let me move the camera.